Hello, this is Burcu from PlatPlay Solutions. I would like to say hello to you from ISE 2020. I would like to show you our solutions. We have digital signage and meeting room solutions. This is our meeting room solution. Our Panorama product is used for public areas to show the status of the meeting rooms at a glance. Here you can see all your rooms, their criteria, if they are for 5-person capacity or 10-person capacity, if they have some projection or screen or catering service. So according to the criteria you need, you can select the room for the suitable time. For example, let's make a meeting to one of the screens. You can do it with your PIN or RFID card. You see the availability of the room for ours. Let's say we would like to have a meeting from this hour to this hour and confirm, and you see the meeting comes here and also to the screen in front of the meeting room. You can also book the meeting room from these screens, these touch screens, or from your PC, or from the public area display. All is possible. Also, the system can be integrated to your existing calendar, which can be G Suite, Exchange, or Office. If you activate check-in function, then to start the meeting, you have to check in first. If you don't do it on time, then the room becomes available for everyone. You can add some other functions like voice warning. You can customize the design or the functionality. It's an easy-to-use software. So if you would like to learn more about Room Manager, please visit our website www.platplay.com.